Excuse me po sa mga nakaroon. It's late in the evening. He's the one that goes to work. She puts on makeup, yeah, and brushes on her hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this piece in my name. This walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Everybody sing. Feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And I wonder, because just don't realize how much I love you. So I'll give her my coffee, then she hugs me to bed.